Do you want to know how I saved hundreds of dollars on my lashes? Well, it's by switching to WOSADO. I'm Gracie with WTI, and I'm telling you ladies, these are actually legit. And they're so easy to use. All you do is you just separate the lashes apart and you'll see the blue and white dot indicators. And you just attach the blue dot to the upper part of the applicator and the white dot to the lower end. And I find looking down into the mirror makes it easier for me to get to the base of my lash. And voila! Instant long lashes without those high-end salon prices. So I also got the lash fixer from WOSADO that I apply to my bare lashes, and these seriously stay on all day long. I never have to adjust them. I mean, look, I have to physically pull them off. That's how good the magnetic hold is. They're so lightweight, hassle-free, and they look completely natural. Plus, they come in a cute little case, so I can take them with me no matter where I go. I've been using these for several months now, and I highly recommend these to all my girlies, and that's my point of view.